organizations that wanted to really identify values employees added to those key metrics, we hoped there was a correlation for those of us in HR between an employee's performance and potential to value. What we found when you looked on the macro at the numbers is that there wasn't always a strong correlation. We were rating people as high performing, high potential, and many times had a great high percent of those folks in our workplace in the same very years that the value the organization was experiencing wasn't high, it wasn't outstanding, and there was at times a negative correlation between those two. So in order to really look at value, we believe you have to go beyond performance and potential, although those are important, and you have to do the other half of the equation, which is to figure out what that employee's contribution is truly costing the organization beyond salary and benefits, beyond monies dedicated to their development, beyond the time that we're working in and working to develop them. And that is a factor we call emotional expensiveness. Emotional expensiveness is what the employee takes from the organization. And as we looked at this, we found that it actually has a coefficient of 3 in our formula, in that emotional expensiveness affects other people, it affects our customers, it affects our brand, it affects groups and teams that we work with. And so when looking at employee value, a long disregarded factor has been emotional expensiveness. Now, we've talked about it in behind closed doors as we shared frustrations about employees, but I'm not sure we ever had a way to measure it or a name for it. So if you're going to be managing employee value, if you're going to be leading in ways